Bitcoin continues to register gains of almost 25% over the last 7 days, surging to over $39,000 for the first time in weeks. Experts go forth to ascribe the recent sentiment turned bullish following cheery statements from the CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, and Tesla CEO Elon Musk, and CEO of ARK Investment, Cathie Wood, all recently in a close-knit Bitcoin conference. Welcome back to another video on the Crypto channel. This video is going to be all about XRP and some future predictions, such as whether there will be an explosion for XRP. If there will be an explosion, how big or small it will be for XRP will also be looked into here in this video. Before we begin, if you are new to the channel, make sure to smack that subscribe button and also the notification bell. Bitcoin and China. In addition to China's crackdown on Bitcoin mining farms within the country have significantly diminished, correspondingly for XRP to break out of the $1 support price level. It must overcome a significant resistance barrier, which we are going to be looking into. The comments from the Power Trio, who are among several other notable presenters, including our favorite financial lawyer, Heston Pierce, spurred Bitcoin to the upside. This, of course, is a direct indication of the concerns aroused due to the environmental impact Bitcoin has on the world's climate. XRP could well be on its way to $1 when it explodes. Stick around if you want to find out more. Following the recent Bitcoin price surge, famous crypto proponent Vijay Ayar has stated that he thinks he saw an accumulation period around the range of $29,000 to $30,000, indicating bullishness and a potential move towards $40,000 for Bitcoin. Alex Beamer, who is the vice president of Luxor Tech, that is a cryptocurrency mining platform for advanced miners, also pointed out that the Chinese trading day has opened up and the Elon Jack Cathie talk was super bullish. Technical analysis on XRP's price. Let us take a brief technical and on-chain analysis of XRP's price that could see the digital assets overcoming the mammoth resistance barrier to reclaim the $1 mark. Sit tight as we analyze and evaluate where we envision XRP's price to be heading next, as it encounters this key resistance. Following the chart trend on a short-term basis, XRP is in some challenging situations regarding opportunities as we take a closer look at the weekly charts. All indications are that XRP will retest above the 50-week simple moving average, a little after the bottom from earlier this week. This simple moving average also coincides with the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement levels, as seen from the advance in the December 2020 low through to the high in April 2021. Currently trading at 70.21 cents, XRP's price is consolidating. Now, if this digital asset's price breaks out of its nearest resistance level at 73.5 cents, which is highly likely, we should expect an aperture into an extended position, after which we are to expect the resistance of 86 cents, with the $1 mark as our first target. Towards the upside on the daily chart for XRP, we could see a classic formation of a bullish setup. Based on these findings, we should expect a bullish continuation in this direction for the next few weeks. The suggested trade pattern right now is such that you get in a relatively discounted entry point of 66 cents. Set your stop loss at 53 cents and your takeout position at 85 cents, all of which collectively place you at a risk margin of less than 10%. We also have the ascending trend line from back in April coming through and retesting that position. This portion forms another significant resistance zone, and if this point is overcome, we could also see a steep increase to 86 cents a little sooner than we think, and we could see the prices reaching above $1, corresponding to the April 3rd to April 6th high of more than $1. At this point, we can see several resistance zones coming into play for XRP. Even though XRP is almost on the verge of passing the era of the deep cross, formed at which time the average price of a single XRP coin over the last 50 days has fallen to a price range below that of its 200-day moving average. Price prediction for XRP. Back to the price prediction for XRP in the future. Just as we have earlier seen, the descending trend line from back in May came through to touch the fundamental level from about a week ago, a point which we have overcome to reach the 80 cents resistance level that we currently find ourselves in, resistance level corresponding to that of the May 23rd high-low encountered during the transition of the week's long bearish market. We are about to exit, and that also includes a few highs from back in December 2020 and a few from February 2021, which is looking to be the cause of the formidable resistance we came about in mid-July. As we can see on this daily chart, XRP has broken the resistance line above and is heading towards the target. We can be expecting some price consolidation before another upswing as we rise towards our target price of 90 cents and almost $1. Stay tuned with the markets and let us see how that plays out. Let's look at the market in the last 24 hours. You can see that the price is moving sideways between upper and middle Bollinger Bands, just as the trading volume gets lowered compared to the weekly trading threshold, which could be the reason for the recent sideways movement on XRP's price. Following today's trend analysis, the prices are expected to continue with a slightly bearish momentum until it reaches the middle Bollinger Band. The price volatility was as low as 1.88%, with the daily range pegged between 69 to 73 cents. However, based on the summary from the indicator signals for XRP, we're thereby provided with a buy call. One of the 11 oscillator indicators gives us a sell signal, while a more significant number of these indicators to the tune of about 9 supply us with a neutral portent, only a single one giving out a buy signal. On the other hand, out of 15 moving average indicators, one hit of a potential sell signal. Another one indicates the possibility of a neutral trend as we advance. In contrast, the other 13 give a buy signal. Over the next year, the price trends indicate the value of XRP to be $10, and by 2025, there's a good chance that it may reach $100. XRP and the SEC. Following the recent statements by 2 out of the 5 critical officers of the SEC acknowledging that at this very moment, the regulatory status of these digital assets remains characterized by a decided lack of clarity. This serves as an affirmation that charging the individual defendants with an offense that requires knowledge or recklessness was and still is legally untenable as the regulatory fraud. With the creation of multiple, seemingly disagreeing regulatory agencies within a single jurisdiction still lingers on till now. This provides a hint that it could not have been possible for the individual defendants to have been aware at the time of the sale about 8 years ago that they were selling an illegal security asset. On that note, XRP's trading volume, which has been relatively low in the last 24 hours, has appeared incredibly high over the last few days. However, if the bulls can't take hold of the market, perhaps incite a sudden spike in volume, we can then expect the analysis to take place in the nearest. Keep in mind that this analysis is based on signals from 15 moving averages, and the 11 are oscillator indicators, which sum up to 26 technical indicators in total. This is it for today's video. We hope this video was informative and you got what you were looking for. Please come back for more such videos about the world of cryptocurrency in the future. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Your support encourages us to keep going. Comment down below and tell us what you think about this exciting update on the XRP price as you deem fit. We'll see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.